You know, many people like to idealize the models in physics due to their beauty or the picture that they got accustomed to in their heads of the tales that the model tells, like, I don't know, general relativity or quantum field theory. They like to think that particles actually exist, that all of these things are actually going on, but really what's happening is that we have a framework that mathematically explains certain sets of data, which is what's important, right? Matching mathematically the patterns that we observe in the world, and then we come up with stories and interpretations for those models to basically aid in our intuitive development and basically to have a clue of what's going on. But in the end, it's just that, a tale that we tell ourselves about the model. And the model is a mathematical description of a pattern, nothing else. We shouldn't attach ourselves too badly to the these little nice pictures that we come up with about particles and atoms rotating around each other and all of this kind of, say, objectivistic view, because in the end what matters is pattern and the logic used to describe it, right? So the most successful theories that we have nowadays, general relativity and quantum field theory, to have an idea of how deeply non-fundamental they will probably turn out to be, and how much we still have to discover and think our and change our reasoning and our thinking, is that for a certain value of a parameter in the theory, one of them predicts, say, value x, and the other one predicts a value that is something like 120 orders of magnitude bigger. That is 10 followed by 120 zeros. That is a big ass contradiction. I mean, it's pretty disastrous that that prediction is so badly contradictory. So yeah, this basically signals the necessity for a very deep paradigm shift in our thinking, and I believe that this will be aided by the detachment of your emotions from the little particle model that we have. We have to look at the mathematical pattern, the description used for it, and to try to exploit contradiction as much as we can and use it to our favor, and not cry about the death of our little fairy tale about these particles and fields thing. Yes, it's very nice, very successful, but as soon as there is an inconsistency within it, we have to throw it away and never look back.